Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make chocolate banana muffins. Mash 2 ripe bananas until smooth, then whisk together 1 cup flour, 1/4 cup cocoa, 3/4 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Beat 1 egg with melted butter and fold into dry mix, then stir in mashed banana until just combined. Spoon batter into liners and bake until a toothpick comes out clean. In this video, I will show how to make chocolate banana muffins. Start by combining dry ingredients in one bowl and wet in another, then pour wet into dry with a gentle folding motion. Use a spatula to fold until only a few streaks remain, preserving air for rise. Add chocolate chips if desired, then fill each cup about 2/3 full for even domes and consistent baking across the tray. In this video, I will show how to make chocolate banana muffins. Place the tray in the center of the oven and set a timer for 18 minutes, then check for doneness and continue up to 22 minutes if needed. Let muffins cool in the pan briefly, then transfer to a wire rack to finish cooling so steam escapes and texture firms. Top with a light glaze or dusting while still slightly warm for best adhesion and look.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.